Hi, I'm thinking that you either own a website or you're responsible for updating the content of a website. Got something to do with it anyway. And I'm sharing today this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report is the top 5 digital marketing trends and how they're going to affect your business. So if there's 5 of them, I better get busy. The first one that you're going to see come up on the radar is increased use of chatbots. Okay, now Forbes magazine come out with good information on that. In the Google document, there's a definition of how to use chatbots, the link thereof. And the next one on the list is voice search as being part of your SEO efforts. Search engine optimization, even with voice search, if you're not doing it, well, you're going to be in third place. Not even second, you'll be in third. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, you can see in the Google document, if you're in YouTube looking while I'm talking, the artificial intelligence venue, there's a lot of bells and whistles on that, and I've started into it, and like I said, I'm just starting into it. So I can't really tell you that what for and how to do it and everything because I haven't done a lot of it myself yet. But I'm getting better. And then video marketing. This is going to be a domination. Okay. That's where it's going to happen. LinkedIn's got a good post about that. So take a look at all of the things in that Google document and see which ones you need to apply some elbow grease into and get her done. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.